video right now. What does that mean in English?
I don't know how to translate English.
You know what that means in English?
I'm dumb.
Because I'm making a video, you have to say what you mean. You can't just... You know what that means in English? No, if you can only respond in Visayan, Cebuano, Tagalog, whatever, that's fine. Okay, very good. I don't know what you just said, but okay, that's fine. Okay. You can say it in English, though. So what's your baby doing over there? That's got to be the cutest baby I've seen since I arrived this time. But I think she's still afraid of me. I don't know. It's so cute.
Daddy, I can't find my shoes.
Huh?
I can't find my shoes.
Where's the last place you saw your shoes? Really? Is that really the last place you saw your shoes? Seriously? Seriously? That's the last place you saw them. Nowhere else.
The sea.
Nowhere else, right? Because I'm thinking maybe they could be over there. Let's go check. I think they could be over there, like sitting underneath everything. You know? Keep looking. Keep looking. Huh? Inside maybe? Okay. We can go with inside. Where inside? Where did you go inside? Did you went in that room? Yeah, there you go. Oh, surprising, right? Did not expect that, right? Excellent.
Hopefully,
Put them on.
start to play with these.
Yeah,
Celine,
put them on.
don't start playing. Celine really likes this.
Huh?
Celine loves it. She keeps licking it.
I didn't hear that. What did you say? You need a styrofoam cup.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. I am fetching a styrofoam cup for my wife. I'm walking over here to some family members. They don't know what I'm doing. A styrofoam cup. There we go. Need one of these.
Oh.
All right. I fetched the styrofoam cup. I'm obeying Janet, who's commanding me to get styrofoam cups now. There's that ocean. Ocean's looking good.
She spit it out. She spit the minty out.
But you didn't like it, huh?
She does.
Maybe it's nasty, Tabitha.
She does like it. She did too
Maybe it's nasty.
That was too much for her. She had too much.
We're gonna go back to your mom's home.
Yeah, you know she ain't gonna appreciate it. She ain't give her nothing.
If she doesn't want it, we just buy something.
I'm glad I have it on video. You shouldn't give her nothing because I think I'm gonna be right.
You're wrong.
I hope I'm wrong. I hope I can delete it without ever showing her. But I think I'm right. Fresh cooked rice. What's in here?
That's about. I already have some. I give her only sabaw. That's it.
Okay.
You
You didn't give her none of the green?
Yeah, this green.
If it looks like regular rice, she's definitely not gonna eat it.
What?
Put something in it.
What?
I don't know. You said you made that for her. Put that in it. I mean, look.
No.
If it's just straight white rice, she's not gonna eat it.
No, just sabaw and then a big
Okay.
spoon.
All right. Handle it then. Yeah. You mean maybe we talking about the same thing?
Yeah, I can.
Maybe we're saying the same thing. I mean, rice plus
Maybe I
that.
give
Yeah.
one to Jasmine.
Rice plus that, she'll taste it.
Maybe I give one to Jasmine fish.
No, honestly, but she'll taste that.
That's for Jasmine too.
I'm just saying, if you have rice plus that, then she'll taste it. Probably.
Yeah, that's it.
Probably.
Maybe go for Jasmine.
That's awful big.
Oh yeah, that's enough. Okay.
Well, no, I'm just saying you don't have very much rice in there.
Huh?
You go for it, Janet.
This is only the separatum, okay?
Yeah, go for
We
it.
don't bring it a lot.
Janet, my only concern is I hate for you to do all this work and then my mother to act the way I think she's gonna act.
Okay, that's okay.
It's the only
okay.
problem.
We just return back here.
Yeah.
And if you don't like it,
Yeah.
we just can return back in here.
I should probably taste it before you even take it to her, and I can tell you straight up.
No, you don't. Just give it to
No, I got my taste buds from my mother, just like your kids got their taste buds from you. You know, if our kids got their taste buds from me, they wouldn't eat fish eyes.
Okay, let's go.
They love that.
Let's go.
I got my taste buds from my mother.
This is the small vegetables that I can cook the vegetables. I just give her some.
Okay.
This is right here. That's for them.
Is that from this morning or
No,
that's
I
fresh?
hope that the
Is it hot?
fried.
Everything that's not hot, leave it.
I warmed up. This one is still warm. See,
I'm just saying. No, I'll take your word for it. But I'm just saying, anything that's not warm, leave it. Okay? There's no need in wasting your time if it's not warm. If everything is warm, then we're good.
Despacito. Okay, that's for your mama, and Jasmine. And another one, rice. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Can you carry this spoon?
What are you cooking?
Bring one paper plate for mama.
What's going to play?
For Chestnut. I'm a plate for them. I'll just
What
bring
about
it.
silverware? What about silverware?
We borrowed from the hotel. Let's go.
We didn't take it back already?
We
Or they borrow some more?
We're gonna borrow some more. I don't know. Let's go.
You think they'll give it to you again, even though you didn't just buy from them?
No, we just borrow. We just try. If they don't, they have a spoon under here. That's it.
A spoon is fine as well as more than one.
So, ikabili na ko itong hambag na resol? Muli na mo? Tara na, mabalik kami. Kung di ganahan. Ikabili ito akong bagbag na.
Daddy, we brought our swimsuits. When are we going to go to the beach?
It looks like you're not.
Camera bag, you leave
I'll get
there.
it. I'll get it.
Okay. Come on.
I'm watching you
Jiren,
making
come
this
on.
horrible mistake.
Tara. Mga tuta sa hoy-hoy, balik
Yeah.
ta. Ban ka?
I'm just watching you making this horrible mistake.
Oo, pan ako. Bakit lagi ko ari?
Oh, mabalik naman. Mabalik naman.
Mabalik ko, mabalik. Ira rin dito dito yung kuwan, tayo main na.
Mabalik naman dito lang. Mabalik ka. O, dire lang ko.
Uday, panis siya.
Sapi na. Sapi. Akong kuwan ba? Lansa. O, darong ko.
We're missing some more, aren't we?
Lang ka na. Pilin lang ka. Welcome back.
We're missing some more, aren't we?
Come back, sir.
We're missing some more, aren't we?
We're gonna come back.
We're missing some more, aren't we?
What am I missing?
Where's Dara?
She stayed there.
Where is she?
She's right there.
I don't see her now.
Tara, oh, tara, ayo, tara, Jasmine, tara, near to Marisol. See, she's drinking.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the Bantayan Island. Hey, you wanna come?
No, take this.
Oh, no, I can't.
What is that?
Our swimsuits.
Oh, you don't need it now, right?
Yeah, we're not going.
Okay.
Okay, no more swimming today, huh?
Yeah, that sun breaks out, they're gonna be mad.
Oh, yeah. Yes, it's a long hike.
Y'all trying to sit me on the back of that bike?
Oh, right, you sit over there? Okay, sit down here. Dito lang na siya malingkod.
No, we're good. Hold on.
Okay lang na. Hindi na magtayo siguro. Okay, salamat.
Alright.
Hindi na ito bilhin ng ano ito, kaya balik ko na ito. Para sure makabalik. Sure, kaya kung umuna doon. Ayun na, balik. Uy, pala ka siguro dito doon. Idamuan na ba na silang pagyabok? Lamig kayo sa silang, oy. Ha? Kaya testing lang ako ba? Testing ko kaon. It's a try.
What?
If you don't like it,
I'm telling you, I think you're making a mistake. It's all good.
okay.
That,
Pagkaon nila, ang magsay pagkaon na green.
she might appreciate the effort. Maybe.
If you don't like it, we just eat it.
Yeah. I'm telling you, she's acting real
We give
funny.
to Jerry.
She's acting real funny right
Jerry
now.
might
so-
like it. Jerry will
have rice?
I have rice. Very little rice. Hindi man ako ng rice din.
Yeah, I want a lot of rice. I don't think you put enough rice, but it's okay.
I have plenty rice. We come back. Bring the whole pot.
Then it won't be hot no more.
It's still really, really hot. There's a big pot.
Oh, may mato sa bawo.
Yeah. Na, may walkie-talkie dire. May walkie-talkie ba? Tawagan ra. Madamag kanon dire. Oh. Abot na yung kanon. Isa may telepono dito si Sol, di ba?
Ha?
Si Sol naman may telepono dito. Pwede tawagan.
Ah, oo. Ito ka sakto.
Ha?
Sakto.
Ay, di ba nasa tuloy ba na?
Ano na sakto? Bitaw sa kanang kuwan ba?
Kasi, alam mo, parang akong liso.
Di ba? Ito sa iso. Palit naman.
Ah, di ba na eh? Wala na ako mamiss.
Ano ko miss? Ako na. Ako na miss na ako sa sakto.
Ako wala na.
Wala na ako miss ang mangga. Kami na naman yung mangga dito.
Ako yung na-miss eh. Kaya dito sa mga nagkamapagawan ng isya.
Tuwa ko.
Sana na magkaon yung bulan. Nag-aako na eh dito na nga bulan. Ay, naku na nga bulan.
Eh,
What about the bulat?
ano sa?
Sa? Nakakatagal ko na dito. Padagang ko niya.
Init na ito.
Anak ni Nylon Ring. Kapag namatay ba, visitasyon ka, taga-bukit ba? Ay, soon eh. Ako di siya according.
Dito sa Amerika.
Oo, sa Amerika. Dali ko na di sila eh. Makapit na sa babot
Did
no?
we miss our turn?
Yeah.
Ginagawa sa video mo.
Oo, here ang i-put record na yan. Right, Sam? You're recording everything what I say.
What? What, just now?
No, what?
Just now?
Yeah, everything is recorded, right?
Just now, yeah.
Oh yeah, just now?
Yeah, nobody understands it. At least no Westerners understand it. Doesn't matter.
That's okay.
I can probably figure it out eventually.
Tagaragarak, tagaragarak, tagaragarak.
Is he going the right way? Did he miss our turn?
No, it's
It doesn't
okay.
seem like we should have had to go this far.
Yeah, because the last I've tried.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we passed the bread right there.
Yeah,
We passed the boundary now.
okay. Yeah, we're good.
Despacito.
Okay, I see now. Yep.
Nakata na sa patron lagi.
Gimana gini? Dito mo ko na mo.
Oo.
Kaya mo lagi. Ha? Kaya mo na tawagan. Para ba disco po ni?
Nakita mi ka ng buwan. Kung sabi na niya na dito mo
Right here,
na
buddy.
ate.
Oh, he knows, right?
Dito ka.
Yeah.
Pesta,
He
happy
took you a bunch of
pesta.
times.
Oh. Pero may dapat dito sa disco.
Karon, last
Last din na.
Ispira, oo. Ay, ito kagabi, kay may mga sayaw-sayaw, nag-video game, bang ganano kayo mga... Ikad guys sila ganano masayaw, pero at least may sayaw-sayaw competition ba?
Ah.
Kagabi.
Oh, okay. They went disco last night.
Yeah, we went disco last night.
We can, kids weren't feeling well.
Ha?
Hindi ko na sa salt na tibon pa kay. May tibon.
Aha.
Hindi mo mga ilim na mga dali mo mga pagkaon. Hindi mo may lagkan kung ano na siya. Kaya ko na naman.
Oh yeah?
Tama yung monitor dyan.
Yeah, if you have a on table, they will not touch your food even you go dancing. Nobody will touch.
But last night, he was the bodyguard.
Hindi sila sumata gabi.
Oh.
Sa'yo.
While we dancing, he's watching the drink. We sit there.
Oh, that's good. Ay, nakakapoy. Nakakapoy. Huwag ka nakapoy ah.
Nangatog mo kayo ko dali. Awak may ba? Inom ko Red Bull o kape. Nakong mata, gana ko.
Oh. She drank Red Bull instead of going to sleep.
No, I drink Red Bull and coffee last night.
Alright.
Okay.
Kumata lang may dire